Welcome to Canton Fair Phase 2 Day 5. In today's video, I'm going to show you the trendy e-commerce product, household items, many new great innovations. So today's video is going to be quite interesting, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, you should subscribe my channel. And if you haven't watched the Phase 1, Phase 2 video, you can go to my YouTube channel. Otherwise, you will miss a lot of new product, new ideas, new innovations. And subscribe my channel and let's explore together. Right now you don't need a gym and you don't need a coach. These all are AI accessories, gym accessories, and they can correct your position, they can teach you. It has like AI coaching. You can also take the online classes, and it will check your BMI, calories, each and everything, and they will also connect with your application. So I think this is the future of gym right now. They will tell you everything. Right now you don't need to worry. Even you can play games with it. Yeah, if I'm correct, there's a voice there. If I'm not correct, it won't have a voice. Check it out. All the data saved into this app, and right now it's in Chinese, but you can also change into English as well. Right now, this one is also connected with the app. You can change the weight according to your requirements. And yeah, and the best part is right now they have the built-in speakers as well, and it's connected with the AI. So AI is coming into our life. It is coming into the gym, kitchen, and everywhere. Guys, check out this great innovation: 4-in-1 microwave, fridge, diffuser, fridge. And the best part is here, the stove. You can also cook here, which is quite amazing. And this is for the warm area. You can just put the food on it and it will keep warm. So which is amazing. And the price is quite shocking, just $295 for 4 pieces, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is quite great, and the MOQ is just single piece. And if you want to do the OEM, you can also change the colors as well. So I think the price is quite reasonable, and this is the future right now. And I'm here at Canton Fair, so you have never seen something like this before. And there's also another thing like this. This is $34, and it can absorb all kind of smoke, oil, and yeah, this is quite portable. And right now you don't need that kind of chimneys, and this is just $34, and it's very easy for cleaning. Check it out. Just change it, and the oil part, just remove this part and clean it. That's it. It's I think very good thing. So if you need the more detail, you can contact me. I think this is the future right now. Check out this fan. I think this is also a very good fan. I can't say this is a fan. Actually, it works like AC, and it is rechargeable. You have to put the water here, and you can also hang on the wall, and it can control by the remote control as well. And the FOB price is like $27, and the MOQ is 500 pieces. And so I think this is also a great thing for the e-commerce industry as well. You can also use in the bathroom for picnic, anything, and you can carry it anywhere. So I think this is also a very nice product. A lot of people, they have worried about their plants, their flowers, because they think that the plants and flowers, they are just like their family. But China have solved your problem. Check out this pot. This is AI pot. It can take care of your plant, your flower, and it will tell you when you need to change change anything, when you need to put it in your under the sunlight, and when you need to change the water or anything. It will tell you each and everything. And the price is like $36, and the MOQ is like 500 plus, and you can also get in different colors. So right now you don't need to worry of how to take care of your plant. Check out this one. This can hang your clothes, and it can also dry your clothes and dry your shoes, and it has the UV light as well. This is all in one. I think this could be the best winning product for e-commerce industry as well. And the FOB price is just $22, and it has a digital screen here as well. So I think this could be the winning product. This is Bluetooth massage pad, and this is quite innovative here as well, and you can control it by the application, and the FOB price is $21. And yeah, and if you are tired, if you are a sporty person, you want to give a massage to your muscles, I think this product is good for you. FOB price is like $21, and yeah, so if you need this one, you can contact me. Check out this trash bin. This is also very unique trash bin, like censored one, but this is not the specialty. The specialty is here. No matter you put the dust here, the trash here, it will suck the trash by itself. So this is the new technology here. It can suck everything. And yeah, so I think this is new innovation in the trash bin. It can suck anything. Guys, check out this trash bin. This is very stylish. I don't want to throw the trash in this, but let me show you the function here. You can see this is a censored one, and after trash, you have to take out the trash from here. This is just something like a luggage, a suitcase, and $19.7 FOB price. Very stylish, very good. Check out this trash bag. This machine, this trash can also pack your trash bag as well, and this is very good for environment purpose. And yeah, and I think this is great innovation, and it's censored, and yeah, so they have two versions. One is this one, and the other one is this one. This is cheaper. This is a little bit expensive, but this is luxury. Check out this one. I think this is for the office work as well, and it has 4 emojis like this. Check out the glasses and other stuff, and yeah, it will change, and this is censored as well, and this is $7.6, $6.2. Yeah. Now these are for the kitchen, and I think they have great innovation in the trash bin as well. Here you go, you have to touch here, and yeah, you can use it. And they have two kinds of, like this is electronic and this is the manual. Manual is cheaper, but the electronic one is $6.6. Check out this one. I think this is also reasonable, and this is censored and also button. And the price is like $13 FOB. And they have different kinds of trash bin. And yeah, I'm also so much shocked this year that the trash bin have this kind of technology and innovations. Oh my goodness. Check out this one. I think this is good for the e-commerce industry as well. And this fan, actually is a fan for the kids, and the air came from this way like this. And it also works as a camera, you can see. And the FOB price is like $2.6. MOQ is 3,000. And in full charging, it can work like 1 hour in full speed. And there's also one small one like this one. This is $2.3 FOB. Yeah. So this is the fan actually. Check out this fan. This is like Osmo Pocket 3 style, and it has the light here as well. And this area is so cold, just like an ice, and the air is so cold also. And it rotates like this. Check it out. And the MOQ is like 3,000. The FOB price is $6.1. This is a mini fan, and it works like actually the Labubu. Do you remember Labubu? You can also hang with your bag, and I think the air is fine. It's okay. It's not that good, but it's very convenient, and it's $3.2 FOB, and it's very cute. Check out this fan. This works as the mobile holder and also a fan. Here we go. And the FOB price is like $4.8, and it works as a mobile holder and a fan as well. Check out this one. This is the heated slippers, and it can use with power bank, and this is $5.5. And they have different version here as well. And yeah, and this one is like $4. It's with battery, but with the $4 is without battery. You can use battery to use this one. Heated slippers. They have different kind of heated slippers here. It's the last day of Canton Fair Phase 2, and on 1st May, the Phase 3 is going to begin, and Phase 3 will be more exciting because there will be new product, new great innovation, and many more great ideas as well. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, you can go to my channel, subscribe my channel, because you will miss a lot of new ideas. I'm covering all the Canton Fair, all the factories, all the expos, so you should subscribe my channel, otherwise you will miss a lot of things. We will see you on Phase 3. Stay premium.